everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time for my first check-in in my 10 for 10 project. What I'm doing is I pick 10 products from my beauty collection. I use them 10 times and then I rotate in something new. This way I get use out of all my products. So this is my first check-in. If you are new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe, and if you do enjoy these kind of videos, please give me a thumbs up. And of course, any questions or comments, just pop them down below. Okay, let's get started. The first item I chose in my 10 for 10 was my Huda New Nudes palette. Here we go, and let me show it to you. There she is. I used her 6 times. So she is going to be staying in my 10 for 10 for now. Next was my Too Faced sketch marker. It's in black. I did use this 10 times. I actually like this marker. I like it a lot. But I am going to rotate it out now because I showed it some love. Next is my Smashbox liner in Penny Lane. This one I only used 4 times. That one I need to work on some more. I only used that one 4 times. Next is this Ulta dual-ended lip liner. I used this liner 10 times. I used the berry side though. I never did use the other side, but I'm going to roll that one out now. Next is my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I used this 10 times, but look where I'm at. You can see I'm so close to being done. I'm going to keep it in until I use it up. So hopefully my next check-in, this will be used up, but I'm going to keep it in for now. My Lancome single in Haute Couture, I used that just once. That, I think it is supposed to be a blush. It's huge if it's an eyeshadow. But to me, it would have to be an eyeshadow because it is, look at that. Look at that color. That's definitely eyeshadow color. I don't know if I want to declutter this or not. I think I'll keep it in another month because I didn't pull anything to replace it. I'll keep it in another month, see how I'll use it. If I don't use it, I will declutter it next month. Yeah. Next is my Ciate Glitter Flip lip in Infamous. I used this 6 times, so I still got some more. Got some more I got to do with that one. My Kylie my Kylie lipstick. This is in Mont Blanc. I like this. This is a beautiful shade. I guess, swatch both of those for you. There's that. Let me swatch the glitter flip. I have the glitter flip on. I don't think I made it go glitter though. By pressing your lips together, you get the glitter. Anyway, the Kylie lip I used 5 times. I really enjoy that. But I didn't wear a lot of lipstick, as you can tell. My Lorac gloss, I used that 3 times this month. I keep forgetting to put it on. I keep telling myself I just need to put it on during the day when I'm not wearing makeup, and I never do. And then last is my ColourPop Volumizing Mascara in blue. I wore this once. I am bound and determined to use this 10 times. So I'm going to keep it in. That is where I'm at. Let me wipe these things off. I have picked 2 items to replace the Too Faced liner and the Ulta lip liner. So I decided not to add another eyeliner. I want to use that Smashbox liner. So instead of a liner, I chose a blush. I chose my Hourglass blush, and it is in Vivid Flush. This was, I'm not sure if this is in the permanent collection. I don't think so. This is from the year of the, Year of the Pig last year. I got this, and I've only used it a handful of times, so I need to use that. And then I am replacing my lip liner with another lip liner because I need to really be using my liners. And this is the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in Bordeaux. So let me show you these. This is Bordeaux, and it is very similar to Berry. They're almost identical. And let me swatch this blush. This blush is not as dark as you think by looking. See, when you look at it, it looks dark, but there it is on my hand. So it's a very pretty shade. Okay, so that's where I'm at. I will be checking in again next month and let you know where I'm at. And I am enjoying doing this project, using my products 10 times. And I feel like I'm really rotating and getting some use out of my products. So remember, guys, if you want to join me, that'd be great. You can do it whether you have a YouTube channel or not. You can do it at home and keep track. So, guys, thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time.